Yeah, we're seeing a lot of different trends as it relates to ductless. It seems like more and more people, especially in our area, are starting to go towards the ductless, where before you'd see them in Europe and in Japan and things like that. But they're really starting to take off here, and there's so many good different options that you can do with the ductless. You can do ceiling mount, you can do the wall mount. You can see a few behind me here, some floor mounts, things like that. And so we can basically make any space work with the ductless. Other reasons why they're becoming so popular is when people are doing additions and renovations, maybe they have a current system, but if they're adding square footage to the home, they don't want to add more ducts. It's going to make that unit run a lot harder than it needs to. And so it's always just a better option to go with a separate system for the addition or the renovation. And so we're seeing a lot of people go to the ductless. They're still new in our area, so if you're interested in learning more about it, we'd love to have you swing by our shop. We're more than happy to come to your place and kind of go over the benefits of it, go over the brochures, and even show you some of the projects that we've done that people have been really happy with. So give us a call.